fuck is going on down there. So y'all, I'm finna go to the snack house. I cannot wait. I'm like trying to get my shit together. Cause hello. I'm trying, cause I'm like really trying to get my, I want a condo. I'm trying, cause like, it's not a condo, it's like a townhouse. I'm not bad, wrong thing. But then some people, definition of a townhouse is an apartment that look like this shit. That ain't no goddamn townhouse. And I don't want no apartment anyway. Even if they do add it like 1 level 2 and all that shows. No. I want it to actually look like a house with stairs in it. I promise you if I can get that, I would have that like really set up. Come on, cause I need y'all to. But yeah. Come on, shit. Oh, man, like, damn, look up. Cause like I say, once I get my damn, what's them call it? Is they even study? Man, why is y'all still standing? But yeah, once I get my, if I get that townhouse, I'll stay here then. And just try to give me a car first. Or give me a car when I'm there. Hell, I give me 2 cars, just give me a Jeep. Nothing is wrong with having multiple vehicles. No, I don't even think she did. What the hell, the kids is crazy. Cause they just standing there blocking the goddamn window. Like,
aquí te lo dejo, Ned.
come on now, girl. But, so they'll say, I don't even know if she here. And I don't know all goddamn day. It's what, 5:38? But yeah, like I say, if I get that condo, everything will be good. Why the hell do I keep calling it a condo? I mean, it's townhouse. But yeah, if I get that goddamn townhouse, I'm gonna be good. She ain't even there because the window ain't even open. Well, the blinds ain't open. But yeah, I promise you, everything gonna be good. But yeah, that's just wishful thinking is what you call it right now. But yeah, bye y'all.